Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 2, Section 1, Number 8, which reads, at the end of the second paragraph, the comparisons of abstract qualities to a lynx and a snake mainly have the effect of what? So I copy this gigantic last couple of sentences from the paragraph, and they read as, if he could have once placed me in a ridiculous or mortifying position. Mortifying, you might notice, is related to the words mortality and mortuary. It has to do with death. It literally means embarrassed to death. If he could have once placed me in a ridiculous or mortifying situation, he would have forgiven me much. But I was guarded by three faculties: caution, tact, and observation. And prowling and prying, as was Edward's malignity, it can never baffle the lynx eyes of these my natural sentinels. So what's that all saying? So he's cautious, he's tactful, meaning he's considerate, he handles situations without offending others, and he handles them well. He's careful. He's observant. He's very watchful. Prowling and prying, it sounds like Edward Crimsworth is stalking him to see if he's going to make a mistake. He's prying into his business. Edward's malignity. Why is he doing it? Malignant, like there's two types of cancer. Cancerous. If a tumor is cancerous, it's malignant. If it's not cancerous, it's benign, meaning harmless. So malignity is harmfulness. So Edward Crimsworth is out to harm him. It can never confuse the lynx eyes of these. What's a lynx? A lynx, smallest type of lynx, is a bobcat. And they get bigger, but they are wild cats. And apparently they're known for the good eyesight. And he already said observation, so it sounds like he's very watchful of these my natural sentinels. Sentinels are guardians. There's a newspaper locally. It's called the Sentinel. It means the guardian. Like the pen is mightier than the sword. Like we're keeping ourselves safe, we're being watchful by reporting the news. Day by day did his malice. What's more common is the adjective malicious, meaning having intent to harm. Day by day did his malice watch my tact. There you have tact again. Hoping it would sleep, and prepared to steal snake-like on it slumbered, but tact, if it be genuine, never sleeps. So it's a snake. A snake sneaks up on you, and it sounds like he's trying to sneak up on the narrator and watch him do something wrong, and then like he's gonna pounce on him. So, what's our best answer here? Answer choice A, contrasting two hypothetical courses of action. It's not, we don't have courses of action here. It's not like, should I do this or should I do this? Answer choice B, conveying the ferocity of a resolution. Ferocity, again, the noun. A lot of times you know more vocabulary than you think you know. You just gotta think of the different forms of the word. Ferocity is noun, as an adjective, ferocious. If you know ferocious, then if you're ferocious, you're like vicious. The ferocity of a resolution. A resolution, just like a New Year's resolution, is something you're like, I'm definitely going to do this. A resolution is something you're definitely going to do. It's not conveying the ferocity of a resolution. He's not saying I'm definitely do this vicious thing. Answer choice C, suggesting the likelihood of an altercation. That answer choice is saying, oh, we're going to wind up fighting now. It's very likely that we're going to have an altercation or a fight. Although it is a bad relationship they have, that's not literally what these lines are saying. Correct answer is D, illustrating the nature of an adversarial relationship. An adversary is an opponent. So if they've got an adversarial relationship, even though the narrator works for Edward Crimsworth, apparently they don't get along. They're like, Crimsworth wants to trap him in a mistake, but he's not having it. So that is your best answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these, like, it's kind of telling you where the answer is. You've just got to read and understand and answer the question appropriately. If there's any question you'd like to answer, any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to share a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.